Guys, good afternoon. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video, check natin ang 2024 Honda CR-V 1.5 V-Turbo CVT Canyon River Blue Metallic. Guys, ito yung entry level ng ating Honda CR-V lineup. Ang kanyang price is 2.1 million pesos. Then, 6th generation na to guys ng ating Honda CR-V. So, turgot na kayo ngayon sa ating featured unit for today. So, ito yung kanyang front portion guys. O, i-ano ko lang yan. Ito yung ating front portion. So, naka LED headlights na tayo with daytime running lights. LED fog lamps. Glossy black front grille. And guys nga pala sa all new CR-V, naka ano siya, transparent case ang ating Honda emblem. So, yun yung nag-outstand compare sa other units. So, siya pala may ganyang emblem, which is